Oh, evening, everybody. There's going to be some coffee, and I'm sorry. I just thought I'd let you know how the last few days have been, and as you can tell from the way I look, they've been quite rough. So I've had a chest infection, where I brought up blood, obviously, and the headaches and everything, and the blood stopped. So that's a good thing to happen. Left with this horrific cough and wheeze, and the palliative care team nurses have been out this afternoon and have sorted out a nebuliser for me to keep here at home. And one of their team, Joanne's, just dropped it off for me, and we've had a nice little chat about things. There was a doctor today with the palliative nurse, and Diana. I've known her since I was in hospital. And I remember talking to her when I gave up chemo, and I said that there was like maybe a chance that in the future, this was a few months ago now, actually it was October, if I wanted chemo in the future, we'd put it away in this little box and maybe get it out in months to come, and see what was on offer for me chemo-wise, and I might do some more. But she's just sat here on my bed and said they won't offer you any more chemo done. So that's hit me like a bit of a bolt out of the blue. I'm wondering, although it might not be true, I'm wondering if she's seen my scan. Or whether it's just gone to a point now where the oncology team is saying, well, she hasn't had any chemo since October, she's not going to have any now. It isn't my plan to have any. It's my plan to carry on as I am, and that's enjoying my life. There are some things that are happening to my body that are making me realise that I've got cancer and that I'm dying. It isn't nice. It isn't the way that I wanted my life to be. But that's the way it is. I have to go and leave my family. However, I am leaving good things for them. Provided for, I think the word is. That, although that comforts me, doesn't give me that sort of, what do I want to say? It doesn't give me closure, even though I've done it and I know what's happening, and I know that we're getting the house sorted and the new garden will be done. But maybe when it's all finished and the house is how I want it, I'll be able to just spend my last few months lying in the sun in the garden. Getting skin cancer. God, I look rough. Don't feel like a woman anymore. And that's hard. I'm trying to do some mindfulness exercises from my counsellor. We had a really, really good session this week. And I left there thinking, oh, Grace, you know, a bit of an escape. I can escape from my thoughts and stuff, but it's bloody hard. It's harder than I thought. But I'm going to keep giving it a go every day. I've also started to write some... Oh, God. Started to write some letters this week. And I feel like I've got to rush to get them done. But everybody that means something to me is going to get one. With maybe a little prezzy to remember me by. Probably something star-shaped. Oh, God. Oh, look in the mirror down there. I just look rough and I feel rough. Anyway. As some would say, suck it up, don't it? It's your life now. Somebody inboxed me in the week to ask me how to speak to a friend of theirs that's just been diagnosed with cancer. And my main point that I tried to get across was, don't say you're a fighter, because professional staff that I've spoke to have said that they don't like these either. Don't say you're a fighter, because it looks as though if you die that you didn't fight. Don't say be strong, because again, if you die then it means that you haven't been strong. I've been strong all the way through this, and I've been as positive as I can all the way through. Gave up chemo because it wasn't working and it was killing me. So no, be strong. No, be positive. No, fight it. And there's a new one creeping in for me. It's all like, oh God, you look so well. I do look well, but I really don't feel it. To the point where I'm starting thinking, planning funerals, paying for it maybe. Trying to get my place in the nice hospice. And that's come, even though it's been 18 months, that's come quite quickly for me. Right in the beginning, they said people who get diagnosed with what I have usually live about 2 years. So I'm hoping at least to get another Christmas. But it's still gone quick. but I've done some travelling. I've raised awareness. I've got something else coming up, but I can't tell you what it is. Because it might not happen. Depends if I die in the near future. So what I'm going to focus on now is eating and eating properly. Drinking as much water as I can. Juice. Do the juicing. No juice. And trying to get a bit healthy in my mind, because sometimes I'm ready for it. Death. And that does scare me a little bit. Anyway. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you soon, hopefully. Oh, test results. I'll vlog you after test results tomorrow. Be about midday. So yeah, about 11:30 we'll have a mental hold hands all of my friends, even the ones that don't know each other, and get the positive vibes on. That's 11:30 in the morning. And I'll speak to you all soon tomorrow. Bye bye.